Hello, welcome to my channel. Now I want to show you how to install WordPress on your local host with XAMPP. Before we go to the tutorial, please subscribe. Okay, open your browser. Type on Google search XAMPP. Click Apache Friends. There is PHP version 7.4, 8.0 and 8.1. You can choose one of the PHP versions, it's up to you. Okay, I want to download the last versions, Windows 64-bit. Okay, now I just want to use the portable version because I'm lazy to install it. If you want to download the portable version, I have put the link in the description. Open the zip file, right click, extract here. Wait until the extract is complete. Open extract folder, find XAMPP control and open it. Click Start in Apache module and MySQL module. Now I want to run the local host. Open the browser, type localhost and enter. Now localhost is running. This is the dashboard display. You can access MySQL in PHPMyAdmin from this dashboard. And you can open localhost from this XAMPP control. Just click admin on PHP module. Okay, now download the WordPress file at wordpress.org. Get WordPress. Extract the zip file to htdocs folder in XAMPP folder. Open the htdocs folder. You can rename the WordPress folder with your website or project. Here I will rename my web. Before installing WordPress, we create a database first. Open PHPMyAdmin. The default language is English. If you want to change it, click Server. You can change the language to Bahasa Indonesia, Russian, French, or other language. Now create a database by clicking the Database menu. Then fill in your database name. Here I write the name dbmyweb. Open new tab. Type localhost / your website folder. And then enter. Select language. Continue. Fill in the database name with the database that was created. For the database username and password, you can see in the user account on the PHP admin panel. Here I use the user is root, the password is empty, and the hostname is localhost. I fill site title, example, my website, username, admin, password, admin123. Checklist confirm use of weak password. Your email, myweb@gmail.com. Then click install WordPress. Okay, now WordPress has been installed. We can try to log in. So that is basically how to install WordPress on your localhost using XAMPP. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching everyone. We will see you in the next video.